Hey guys, I have prepared for you 11 legitimate ways to earn money online. Stay tuned to know how your expert answers can bring your cash. Money makes the world go around, and it is something you always want to have more of. Whether you are struggling to pay bills, want to save up for something special, or just want to have some extra fun money available, you don't need to go out and look for another job outside of the home to earn money. We live in an internet and computer-based society, and that means there are more ways than ever to earn money online and from the comfort of your home. Work-at-home jobs are not just limited to customer service anymore. So number 1, sell used stuff. There are so many sites today that allow you to sell items you no longer want. If you're looking to earn some extra cash, start out by looking around your house for things you no longer want. List them on eBay or Poshmark. You can also purchase clearance sale items and earn a profit by listing them as well. The key to reselling is to do your research and find out what's selling and for what price, and then make smart purchases. Number 2, surveys. Completing paid surveys is one of the most popular ways to earn extra cash online. There are entire websites devoted to nothing but surveys that you can register with and be paired with surveys that best fit your profile. You will get paid according to the terms listed at the beginning of the survey and will have the chance to add some extra money to your wallet. When taking surveys, it is important to be honest and take them seriously because you can be banned from the site. Legit opportunities. Pinecone Research and Swagbucks. Number 3, videos. Videos are everywhere on the internet, and some work-at-home websites will give you the opportunity to get paid for watching them. Video creators get paid for every hit their video receives online. Those who are new to the business will often try to maximize the views by sharing small profits with those who are registered to watch the videos for pay. You will earn a few cents per video watched and can kick back on the couch while doing it. Number 4, freelance writing. The world becomes a better place when people learn new things, and if you are a good writer, you can put your skills to use and help educate the world. If you love to write, consider being a freelance writer. Freelance writers are always needed for blog entries, magazines, websites, and more. Business owners are often willing to pay a good price for a well-written article they can use, and you will get some fast cash as a result. There are several different ways in which you can embark on a freelance writing career. You can register for an article writing website, look through the writing job boards, or contact a publication on your own and pitch your ideas. If you know your way around the computer and can type fast, consider doing paid tasks for companies on the internet. You can do data entry, web design, research and information, and so much more. You can register for online microtask companies. You will get to work with clients who need to get projects done and will be able to work from the comfort of your own home. Legit opportunities: Mturk, Clickworker, Crowdflower, Gigwalk, Rev.com, Fancy Hands, Spare5. Number 6, share your skills. Any skills you have can offer you a legit way to potentially make money online. As well, think about it. Do you have fantastic Photoshop skills? How about photography? And you the queen of flat lace? Maybe you know how to build a killer social media schedule or plan an amazing event. Perhaps you are a pro when it comes to designing WordPress sites. With a site like Udemy, you can actually teach these skills to others online and earn an income of things you already know. It's easy to get started, and Skillshare offers plenty of resources to help you build your class. Number 7, social media management. Today, pretty much any business can benefit from some form of social media presence, whether that's just Facebook page or full-on suite of streams including Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram as well. Learning each of these websites involves an investment of time and attention that's not every business owner is ready for. This is where you come in. If you are skilled at using these platforms, become their social media manager. Most of us have spent plenty of time on these platforms, so why not put your knowledge of hashtags and what makes a post popular to work? You should also know to develop a solid social marketing strategy and provide customer service. Number 8, search the web. Believe it or not, but simply searching the web is a viable way to make some extra cash from home. There are 2 main methods of getting paid for web searches, and the first means being comfortable giving your information to marketers and foregoing your usual search engine. Several get paid to sites like Swagbucks or MyPoints will reward you for using their site's search engine to search the web by periodically giving you points for your researches. The second method is to become a web search evaluator. These jobs give you a specific search assignments and pay you for doing these web searches and evaluating the results. Legit opportunities: Appen, LeapForce, LineBridge, iSoftStone. Number 9. Website or app testing. One major part of any design process is checking to make sure that what you've created actually works as it is intended. So there are a ton of websites and apps out there that need to be checked, and you could make some extra money by being the one to test them. Testers are usually paid by the test, and it's often only run $1 per test. However, $10 for a few minutes of your time isn't bad. You'll generally be given a website or app to look at, along with a series of instructions on what you should try to do. Then you'll either have your voice and screen actions recorded, or you'll write a short report afterwards on how well the website or app worked. That's it. Legit opportunities: Try My UI, user feel, user testing. Number 10. Tutor. The need for online tutors seems to be growing every day, particularly in ESL industry. There are many apps which are looking for native English speakers to assist their students, often through simple conversation. So there are opportunities for you even if you don't have any teaching experience. Beyond the English teaching market, there is also a niche for those who can help middle school students with their homework assignments and more general tutoring positions available online to assist students at all levels with their studies. Legit opportunities: Cambly, Education First, VIP Kid, Magic Ears. Number 11. Answer questions. Just like you can turn a profit on sharing your skills online, you can also do so using your knowledge. There are a variety of sites out there that will pay you to do research, answer questions, or be an on-call expert in a number of different industries. You have a nursing degree, you can pick up some extra cash when you're off duty by answering medically related questions. Off-duty handyman or plumber, you can do the same thing with home improvement questions. If you just enjoy researching, you can pull in some cash by doing research through a website like Wonder. Legit opportunities: 10 EQS, Just Answer, Maven, Presto Experts, Wonder. Thank you for watching this video, and we have a lot of more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.